viewers, today we are going to compare TinyTask with AutoHotkey to find out which one suits your needs better. So let's get started. First, we will see the ease of use. TinyTask is very easy and use a record and playback function without scripting, while AutoHotkey has deeper learning curve, requires scripting for more complex tasks. Let's see power and flexibility. TinyTask is limited to recording actions, while AutoHotkey has highly flexible and powerful integration, can handle complex customer scripts. Use case. TinyTask is ideal for simple repetitive tasks like basic data entry, while AutoHotkey is suitable for complex automation, custom shortcuts, and advanced scripting. Let's talk about system resources. TinyTask has very lightweight, uses minimal system resources, while AutoHotkey generally has lightweight but can be more resource intensive depending on the script. Portability. Though both are portable, TinyTask can be run from a USB drive, or AutoHotkey can be run from a USB drive between Windows PCs. Let's talk about safety. TinyTask generally is safe but can be cautious of downloads from unofficial sources. AutoHotkey is open source and virus free, but always be careful of the scripts themselves. Now, both tools are free and TinyTask is tiny and ad-free. AutoHotkey is open source. Choose TinyTask for easy, immediate automation. Choose AutoHotkey if you want powerful, reliable, programmable automation that scales. Both will save your time. Pick the one that matches how much you want control of your needs. And that's all about them. Thanks for liking and watching this video.